2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, radio data system, low tire pressure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.